and described Sachin as a functionary and contributor. Right? Functionary in the sense just you are doing the job because this is your job, so you have to do it. Right? And જ્યારે તમે એમાં જીવ રેડી દો છો ને તમારો, that is what you are being part. સમજો? See, many people are there talking to each other. Please be with me. બહુ અગત્યની વસ્તુ છે કે જ્યારે કોઈમાં જીવ રેડી દેવો ને એ આખી અલગ વસ્તુ છે. ટીચર તો એક 5 હોઈ શકે છે, પણ એક ટીચર તમારા માટે બહુ વિશિષ્ટ હોઈ શકે છે, કારણ કે તમને ભણાવતા હોય ત્યારે એનો જીવ રેડી દેતા હોય છે. You are pouring answer. You can see Sachin Tendulkar. Why Sachin Tendulkar is great? Because the main part is very great. તમે જુઓ ને, describe Sachin as functionary, describe Sachin as contributor. તો તમે શું લખશો functionary માં? તો દાખલા તરીકે functionary he is an Indian test one day international cricketer. functionary કહેવાય છે ને, he is a cricketer, right? બીજું તમે એમ કહી શકો છો કે he has got this much awards of this much centuries he has done. functionary કહેવાય, award, right? And his skill, he is a good batsman, but he is a functionary.
He is the person, right, who is the only person who has scored double century in the one day cricket.
Yeah.
This is skill, this is his qualification.
હવે એનો તમે big part શું કહી શકો? contributor તરીકેનો રોલ શું છે? So you can see that he guides to all juniors. He guides to all juniors. આવું એને કરવાનું નહોતું, પણ એ કરે છે. શું કામ? કારણ કે he wants India to win. So that is contributor part. Okay. He feels that success is the great things and we must win. આવો એવી વિચારસરણી ધરાવે છે. Okay. So many more things you can write as far as being part of the contributor part is concerned.
Any functional parts તમે આ સ્ટોરી જો તમે વાંચી હોય, how many of you have read the story by now? Most of you, right? The story is given overleaf. પેજ ની પાછળ જે વર્કશીટ છે એની પાછળ આપવામાં આવેલી છે સચિન તેંડુલકરની સ્ટોરી. Brief background about Sachin Tendulkar. He is the highest number of century makers in international cricket, right? That is his functional characteristic. He has taken so many wickets. He has scored so many centuries. It to છે. ઉપરાંત many of you may not be knowing, he has also taken 100 one-day wickets. Remember, that is also his functional characteristic. He is the only batsman to have scored 10,000 runs in both forms of cricket. બરાબર છે. So now એની ખાસિયતમાં એક વસ્તુ નહોતી, એના બે વસ્તુઓ જે મુદ્દાઓ એડ થયા, એ member of his World Cup winning team and the person who has scored century in the IPL, right? These two are also added. These are all functional characteristics. હવે એની being level characteristics શું છે? તો એના સૌથી છેલ્લા પેરેગ્રાફમાં લખેલું છે કે તેંડુલકર સ્પોન્સર્સ 200 underprivileged children, right? 200 એક મુંબઈની એક NGO સંસ્થા છે, એના અન્વયે he is also contributing to social cause, right? So that is his being attribute. He is a person who helps his subordinates. દાખલા તરીકે સુરેશ રૈના છે, વિરાટ કોહલી છે. These are all young people who had seen Sachin Tendulkar playing when they were children. એ લોકો નાના બાળકો હતા ત્યારે સચિન તેંડુલકરને એ લોકો રમતા જોતા. તો એ લોકોના કેરિયરમાં એનો જે રોલ છે સચિન તેંડુલકરનો, this is a being level attribute. So not only he scores runs, but he also helps India win the matches, right? So that is his. Is there somebody who would like to share his views? Somebody from you? Somebody would come up? તમારામાંથી કોઈએ લખ્યું હોય ને, if somebody wants to share, ઘણા બધા લોકો. Somebody can come up. મિત્ર, તમે can you read out a few points which you have written?
You just read one point for one person.
He won Indian government awards like Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan. He scored centuries in all formats of cricket.
These are all functional characteristics.
These are the functional characteristics. Described such as contributor. He is not only contributes towards the cricket but also towards the society. He He has positive attitude towards game of cricket and ready to understand any time. Very right.
Helps the 200 underprivileged children every year with his mother-in-law in an NGO as an association, and he is also helping his teammates. His teammate Yuvraj Singh says that we can call him grandfather, and many of his contributors.
Now we have reached to a stage when we can identify such characteristics in the person who is nearby us. The example of Sachin Tendulkar the story was given and you described his functional and being level attributes. But now we have come to a stage when we can identify a person who is nearby us. The person whom you admire. બરાબર છે? તો એને આપણે કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુટર તરીકે આપણે કઈ રીતે વર્ણવી શકીએ rather than a functionary. That will describe the success of that person. હવેનું આગળનું પોર્શન આપણી વચ્ચે પ્રોફેસર આહિર સાહેબ છે. He'll be taking you through the journey of becoming yourself a contributor. Ahir sir, please.
Okay. So now let me clear that you are now very much clear about the functionary and being. એક જ મુદ્દાની વાત છે કે જેમાં તમારું ઇન્વોલ્વમેન્ટ ક્રિએટ થઈ જાય, તમારું મન હોય, તમારો ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ હોય, તમારો રસ ક્રિએટ થાય, ત્યારે એ બિંગ પાર્ટ તમારો સ્ટ્રોંગ થઈ ગયો કહેવાય. ફંક્શનરી પાર્ટ તો હોય જ, નોકરી ઘણા બધા કરતા હોય, પણ એક માણસ બહુ દિલ દઈને કામ કરતો હોય. So that means the being part is very strong. His interest is very big in the work. So now we have to understand that we have taken the example of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is a big example, right? But in our day-to-day life also we have many examples. Next, sir. So from that also we can come to know and we can understand that what will be the functionary part and what will be the contributive part in that person. So here we have the second stage now, that is discovering one's own contributor capacities. See, now it is high time to identify, समझो, कि what capacities are there who can help you to make you contributor, the great contributor, because the different people have different capacities. But you have to explore your contributor capacities. So now it is high time કે તમારે સમજવાનું છે. You have to understand and discover your contributor capacities. Please. So every activity we do well helps us build our being level qualities. The moment we do some things, our interest will be created. બરાબર છે? Nobody can fall in love with subject at very first sight. ક્યારે એવું બન્યું કે ચોપડીનું પૂઠું જોઈને તમને વાહ વાહ મજા આવી ગઈ, આનંદ થઈ ગયો? બરાબર? નેવર. પૂઠું ખોલીએ, પહેલું પાનું ખોલીએ એટલે ઊંઘ જ આવે. બરાબર છે? But once you will be involved, let me tell you, once you will be involved, your interest will be cultivated. It will be created, and slowly it will be transformed into the likings, and thereafter it will become your love. And when you reach towards the moment, say state of love, then everything will take place automatically. You don't have to do anything. Health how they pass through your way, right? So interest is very important. So every activity we do will help us building our being level attribute. So what do I do is a functional part. Who am I? That is a being level attribute. So I love singing. I have learned classical singing since the age of 8, right? So I love singing is what? Being part. It is being part, right? And I have done the classes of the classical singing is what? Functionary part, right? So together we can have the ability to practice for long hours. What will be our capacities? जो being અને functionary બે ભેગું થશે આપણને એડવાન્ટેજ શું થાય છે સમજો. What will be the advantage? What will be the advantage? Some qualities will be created, will be generated. શું quality generate થશે? તો તમે બહુ લાંબા કલાકો સુધી પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી શકશો, કારણ કે તમે એક ક્લાસીસ કરેલા છે, ફંક્શનરી પાર્ટ છે. Your interest is there, self discipline and regularity will be there, so that kind of the capacities will be developed. કોઈ નવું તમે કામ હાથમાં લ્યો, દાખલા તરીકે વિદ્યાર્થીઓનું કંઈ ફંક્શન હોય, તમે લીડર તરીકે કામ હાથમાં લીધું, તો શું થશે? આ લીડર તરીકે તમે લીડર તરીકે કામ કરો એ તમારું ફંક્શનરી એટ્રીબ્યુટ છે, રાઈટ? બટ યુ હેવ વર્ક અપ ટુ 12 o'clock, you have taken much more interest in your